Hello world, hopefully, all right, hopefully we're live. So this is a live stream, just testing out my live stream setup, seeing if audio's good and everything's working. Anywho, if you join, comment, ask questions, we're gonna see if we can build out this UI here. It's from the Nike Training Club. Just pulled that up because it looked like be a fun little screen to build out. And yeah, I don't know, testing out my live streaming again. Anywho, let's go ahead and create a new project. Make sure it's iOS. Press next, and then we're gonna give it a name like, I guess we call it training. Yeah, just training club. We'll call it Nike. I don't know. We'll just call it training club. Something like that. Capture moments as they happen. Oh, just sorry. Software popping up. It's like, yeah, do this. Anyway, we'll call it training club for now. SwiftUI and Swift for the language. Go ahead and go next. Desktop sounds great. And we'll create a project. So, go over here. See if my window's set up properly. All right. Close that up. Do that. All right, so we have content view here. Let's tab back over to Safari and see what we're looking at. We've got, so there's going to be a scroll view. It's a detail view, obviously. We're not going to build out the whole navigation stack or anything right now. We're just going to do the scroll view, and it's got some buttons on top, an image, kind of a gradient, and this, I would say, is an overlay. So instead of doing a Z stack, I think we'll just do like an overlay with a top bottom alignment. So let's just call this detail view, or workout detail view maybe. We'll go ahead and go new, and SwiftUI, and we're just gonna call it workout detail view. Press enter, and we've got a nice new workout detail view. And we'll go ahead and command click our text view, and we'll put this inside of a VStack just for now, and then I'll go, YouTube's not receiving enough video to make it smooth. Streaming may or may not be doing super awesome. That's fantastic. Internet providers, erg. Make this a scroll view. Pay attention, scroll view like so. And it looks like we might have one viewer. Tell me if this is streaming. I'm getting an error on mine, says it's not streaming smoothly. Let's go back over here. So we want an image. Yeah, let's go find an image really quick. Not going to be connecting to any APIs this time, so we'll just go to Pixabay, and then we'll go to workout. I wonder if I want more vertical aligned. I think would be nice. We'll go vertical. Jumping in the air, that's pretty cool. I don't know which one. It looks like yoga, so we'll just go this one maybe. Don't know if that's in the snow, but anywho. That should be fine. We're not too concerned about it. And we got the image, so we'll just close that up. Go back to Xcode, go to our assets, and grab that file. Go back to Xcode. And we'll just call this, click on this, we'll call this action. Hopefully the audio is good, and I'll try to speak up. I know my audio's, I don't speak super loud, so I will try to do better at projecting my voice. Let's go back to workout detail, and then let's just add an image. We'll go image, and it'll be called action, and we're gonna make it, I'm gonna go Option Command P to, what is that, static method build logo, where is it, string require, oops. Open, close, parentheses, like that. That should be better. So dot resizable. And there's my dog barking up a storm. Option Command P. Yeah, let me go back to OBS. Is this streaming? Yeah, it says streaming. Yeah, let me know if it's streaming or not. I'm just talking to myself here. And that's terrible because it's stretched. So our scroll view will go dot ignore edges, ignore safe area, and we're just going to go dot top. That looks better. And then we want to make it dot aspect ratio dot fit. I think fit will be fine because we're going to have like a gradient to the system color. We're going to use gradient to the system color, not gradient to, like here it's black, and I don't know, well, except it's light right there, so maybe they want this whole detail view to be black, but I like semantic colors because it's just better. I think it's a better user experience. User has a little more say in how their app looks. But I'm not a designer, so don't take my a word for it, I suppose. We will put this image in a Z stack, like so. And then we're gonna go in here, Command Shift L, and I'm gonna go gradient. Oops. Oh, because I need to go to the code snippet. So wait, disclosure group, we're gonna go gradient, linear gradient, and there we go, nice linear gradient. So we're gonna go enter here. If this all looks too basic, I'm sorry, I picked a basic thing just because I'm trying to figure out how to get live streaming working again. And don't worry, I won't do just live streams. I'll be doing bunches of videos too, so hopefully this stuff's not too bad. So for our first color, we're gonna go dot clear. And then for our second color here, we're gonna go, we should go dot primary, I think. Primary. Nope, that's black. So we're gonna go color, and we're gonna go open parenthesis, and we're gonna go dot system background. So the color for the main background. All right, so now it's white here, and it's kind of blending in, but we'll fix it. We'll go dot top, and then we're gonna go, for the endpoint, we're gonna go dot bottom. And there is our nice gradient. If it's like coming up too much, we're like, oh, we could add a little more. We could fix that. But now, it looks white now. Now it'll be dark. Like it looks good. And it looks good based on how the user sets it up. So I think it's a lot better. All right. Let's see. I wonder if we go dot fill, if it looks better. Option Command P to update. Nothing. We'll stick with fit. All right. Command save. Looks good. And now we'll do. And if we wanted a little less dark, we wanted to add a little more clear, which go comma dot clear. If you ever use like Photoshop-like apps, it basically works like that. You know, you can kind of control where the stops are. I don't know if you can see my hands. I'm like making gestures. Hopefully, put my hands right here. Anyway, there's our image and our linear gradient. I'm gonna go Command A and Control I just to clean up. Looks like some text got unaligned. Let's see. Now I want to do an overlay. No, we don't want to do an overlay. So you have a Z stack here, so we're stacking the gradient on top of the image. And then on this, I want to go dot overlay. So on the overlay part, I want to go on the overlay part. On the linear gradient part, which I don't see why that'd make a difference. If we move the text in there, it's going to be ugly, I think. Command X, let's find out. Like this, and paste that in there. And now our text is way up here, which is not what I wanted. So cut that out, and we'll put it back here, and it kind of puts it too far down. So let's go look at our reference image. Okay, so I think I know what to do. So here, we'll put an overlay to this stuff, and we'll put these two files here, and then the rest of this we can just put in the scroll view. So what's this? We can use labels here. So instead of text, we'll just say label, like so. And we want a title and a system image. And for our title, I think it was called 6 minutes beginner. So 6 minutes, and it's probably just M-I-N-S, yep, and capital B, okay, beginner, like that. And then for the image, I wonder if we have like a clock. Oh, looks more like a timer. I wonder if we have a timer, because you can see we do have a clock right there. I wonder if there's a timer. Yeah, the timer looks pretty cool. I think it looks good. Good enough. Let's add this in a VStack. And then let's set the alignment to leading, like so. And yeah, we'll give this a dot frame, space there for a second. I'm like, what are we doing this? Open parentheses, max width, and we're gonna go dot infinity. So it should take up the whole space. Then we'll go here, we'll go alignment dot leading. There we go. Things are looking better now. Dot padding, and the padding I'm just gonna say dot horizontal. Don't really want vertical padding, I don't think, here, so I don't know. But now that we kind of got this started here, let's go ahead and build out this like header text. So it's gonna be like with the person and then like the workout, I guess. So we'll go. I'm gonna drag this over here so I can look at it real quick. And we're gonna go text, and we're just gonna put in some hard-coded text here. We're gonna go 5 minute body weight burn. Time to get the burn some calories. We'll go command. We'll go \n, and for creating a new line, I know we could do multi-line Swift stuff, but this is easier in my opinion. But your second, where am I at? Second strength class. All right. Let's see if anyone commented anything. Negatory. All right, so white font on a white background is really hard to see. And so we're gonna also go here, and we're gonna go VStack, and we're also gonna go option command click. Oops, that's not what I want to do. Option, control option, sorry. And just go alignment. And I think what we're gonna do here is we're just gonna take out one of these clear colors from there, and that looks better already. And then we're gonna go here, and we're gonna go dot font. We're going to go dot title. And then we're going to go dot font weight. And we're going to go dot heavy. And we'll go bold maybe. Bold. Yeah, it's probably all right. Maybe even, I don't know, semi-bold. Yeah, we'll go bold. Yeah, just making it up as we go along here, really. All right. That looks pretty good. Might change this to title 2. And let's see, why is our... Yeah, that's why. Grab this, copy, paste. There we go. Now we've got things looking pretty good. Now, with that out of the way, we can do one more thing of text here, text, and it's going to be, let me know if the audio is good. Sorry if I keep saying that, I gotta speak up. So, and now we're going to go ahead and go with, and this will be our trainer, so Alex, hopefully I spelled that right. Sweet. Let me do one other thing really quick here. Yeah. All right. I'm just trying to get Windows adjusted here. All right, so I think we're looking pretty good. I feel like this is too far up, so one of the things I'd like to do is maybe cut this out and add this as an overlay to our linear gradient. So I can go overlay, and we're going to go alignment, like so. Don't know where I started that. I keep on saying like so. I noticed that in my last tutorial I made, so I don't know where I'm doing that from. We're gonna go dot bottom, and then we're just gonna go paste that in here. And if you have any questions why I'm doing this, or like, well, why'd you do that? What did I do here? Alignment. Command A, Control I. All right, now I messed up my gradient. Oh, I know why. Cut that out. There we go. And we want to put this on our VStack. Maybe, if anyone's interested, since I'm writing all this in one file, which is, I would cut this out more because it's getting more unnecessarily complicated, like unnecessarily crowded in this view. I would break this up. If anyone's interested, I'll show you what I would do with like ChatGPT. Like maybe I'm messing around, I write up a bunch of code. I'm like, okay, I wrote up what I kind of wanted. I'd drop in some code and I'd say, break this out into subviews. So I don't have to, because it comes up with names too. Anywho. Let's see. So our Z stack's here. And this is all pretty good. Anytime I would do an overlay, the view inside of that overlay, like I would break this out. So, and we can do that at a later time, or we could keep on going, but let's see. Scroll view, and here we have our VStack with alignment, and we could fill that out. It's got a couple more, this would have a couple more labels in it, so copy, I'm gonna go paste, paste, paste. Don't know why I'm doing it like that, because I didn't have to. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, okay. Get rid of these unnecessary gaps, and Control A. Command A, by the way, not Control. So these are really close, and we could add, padding on each one, but I think a better way would be, and we go dot vertical, obviously, so we're not noodling with the horizontal spacing, but I think a better way would just say up here in our VStack, go spacing, and then in our spacing, we'll go ahead and go, I don't know, 8. We'll go 4. I don't think it needs to be that much. No, we'll go 8. 8's fine. It's fine. Let's see. These are going to be a little different. So this is going to be total body strength. Strength. So that looks good. And then here we're going to have it say none. Let's see if it is none because it's like a little weight. I'll see if there's a weight, like a dumbbell or something in the SF symbols. And then we'll go mat optional. And then there's one last one here. This one's going to be Latin pop. I guess that's one, and then dance. All right, looks pretty good. Now let's go ahead and see if we can find some better timers here. So the strength one is like a person working out. Command Shift L and go over to our SF symbol section, and we'll go person. Like doing a workout or something though, not just these heads. No, that's not good. Go workout. Go run. Yeah, looks good. Good enough. Got a little person, a little timer. The next one's like a dumbbell. Command Shift L. I'm gonna go. Yay, look at that. They do have that. That's cool. Did not know. Oops. Got that. Command Shift L. Put that in there. And then person's filled. I think we should do dot fill on this. Dot fill. Like that. And the last one is music. They have music in here. So Command Shift L. And we're going to go music. Just do that one. All right, so you got a 6-minute beginner, total body strength, dumbbells, like weight stuff, is none, optional mat, and we got some hip music to listen to. So, not too terrible. And this is all kind of bunched up just because I got the font set. Is the font decent on here? I can make it smaller, but anyway. Let's see, also on this overlay, let's go padding on all directions on that too. Push it up a touch. And then let's see if this still looks good in light. So see, I use the system background, it just looks good both ways, so either way. But now we've got Command A, Control I, get everything clean. This little VStack's kind of our done. I think here we want just some text. Where are we at? It's a Z-stack, go and close our Z-stack. A little VStack in our scroll view. I would go just text here. And for our text here, I just want to go get like some lorem esprum, I think. I don't know. We will go lorem is from IO. And we're going to go 5 paragraphs generate. Let's copy a whole bunch of this. And back over here, paste that in there. So now we got a whole bunch of text. Option Command P. Oh no, what happened? Oh, look at that. Oh. So we're just gonna go here. We're gonna go \n. And then we're gonna go here. Well, let's go 2 \n, I guess. \n. And then we're gonna just put those throughout. So we'll come up here, do the same thing. And there we go. Now we have a whole bunch of text in our scroll view. Probably more than we needed. All right, but that's good. Lots of text. We do need to add some padding to this. So we're gonna go .padding, and we're gonna go just .horizontal. I think we probably have enough padding both ways, and that looks better. Sweet. So now we have a whole bunch of text, our little workout stuff. We don't have our bookmarks and our buttons are up here yet, but we can add that. And I think the next thing we want to add is our little overlay here, which will just have like a start workout and then like an option to play or pause music or mute it, I guess. I don't know. We'll find out. All right. Let's see. Yeah, do an overlay for our text, or for our scroll view, really. So we'll just close up our scroll view, and we're gonna go overlay, and our overlay is gonna have, it's not gonna have any alignment. So we're just gonna go open and close curly brace. And then in here, we want to go ahead and create we're just going to go ahead and create a capsule. So that's just a shape. Excuse me. We're going to go frame, and we're going to set our frame's height to 44, 50. Yeah, that's probably good. And then we're gonna go ahead and then also we're gonna make this in an H stack. That's one thing we're gonna do, H stack. And then we'll clean this up. Just go here, go .padding, like so. It's looking a little better. And then we're gonna go here, and we're gonna go circle. Actually, I'm gonna make these buttons because that's what they should be. So we're gonna be button. We're gonna go action, label, and do stuff, as I like to say. And then in our label, we're gonna do a circle, like that. Looks pretty good. Gonna give our button a frame height that's the same as this one. Just Command X that out. And actually, so we don't repeat ourselves with this, the frame, we should just cut that from there and then just add the frame modifier to our H stack, and then everything will just be 50. So it's looking pretty good. Coloring's not quite right, and I think I do want to add we also want to add, copy this, put that there, and then here we're going to replace the circle with a capsule. And then I just want to add padding to the trailing side of this button. So trailing. Trailing. So I think it spaces out a little bit here. There's already padding on the sides because we put padding, I thought, on the, padding right here on the H stack. It's an overlay, so we're aligning it there in the middle. So we do need to say alignment so that we can set it to the bottom. And then we're going to go alignment dot bottom. All right, now it looks pretty good. So we can go scroll along here, and then we can be like, oh wow, I want to start the workout. Bam. And I also want to do something here. Oh, that's going to be an issue. Just ran in, notice that. But also the colors are terrible. So we're going to override the colors as well. We're going to go dot foreground color. We're going to go dot primary. There we go. So our buttons are looking pretty good. We need to have like a start workout. We'll just do Z stack here. Go Z stack. And we'll go text, and we're gonna go start workout. So like that. And then we will go foreground color for our buttons, or for our text in our buttons. Dot foreground color dot secondary. I was like, wait, what do I do? You can kind of see it, but it's not awesome. So we can go label, but that's not going to work. Huh. Maybe. All right, let's undo that. And let's undo this for a second. Start workout. Let's go dot red. So you can see the text there. It's really small. It's not going to work. We should also make the font bigger. So we'll go dot font. We'll go title dot title 2. Yeah, make it nice and big. We'll go dot font weight, and we'll make it dot semi bold. I think that looks pretty good, other than the color red is horrible. Let's see. What color do we want to do this? So I think for our color here, this primary, we want to change this to color dot system. Isn't it? No, what's it called? So color for text labels that contain a background system fill. An overlay fill for large shapes. I would say this is a large shape. Oh, that's not gonna work. Not gonna happen. A color for text labels that contain, that contain content. Background. Let's see if that one works. Huh, that kind of works. Ish. Let's see what it looks like in dark mode. Yeah, it looks a little better in dark mode. Huh. Maybe we'll give it like a shadow, so in the light mode it looks decent. Oh, a radius of, I don't know, 4. Don't think it'll look good here, but I'm gonna give it a little bit of a shadow so it stands out in light mode. And then in dark mode, it kind of already just stands out a little bit, but I don't know, maybe that's not enough. We'll think about that. Let's fix the red now that we have that color working. We'll go dot label now. which apparently you can't just do dot label. No, it has to be color. Open parenthesis, dot label, like that. All right, now that should work good in light and dark mode. Do have an ugly little shadow because of this. So I still think we need to come up with a better color for this one. System background, grouped background. Let's try that one. Guess we go like a gray. Is there like system gray? Or is that gray with different like yeah, grays of different numbers. So there's a 3, there's a 1, oh, there's a 5, there's a 4. That probably looks okay. Looks okay in light mode. Looks okay there. We'll keep it unless anyone has a better suggestion for color. I think we'll keep it there for now. Let's see. We do need the little button. We need the little SF symbol for this one. So paste that in there, and then we'll just go image. And we're gonna go system, and then we'll just go Command Shift L, and then we will go some music as well. Let's see, music. Music. Guess we just have a music note. Oh, because it needs to be in the Z stack. Cut that out, go Z stack. Like that. Command Shift. We're on line 65 here. Command A, Control I. We have 86 lines. I'm going to go Command L and then just type in the line. What was it, 60? Oh, it wasn't very far. It was right there. Okay, I think it looks all right. The buttons don't do anything right now. I'll have this button like toggle, like what we can do when we cut out. You can start and stop music and start workout. And then you can go here. And you've kind of got something that looks like it might be used in a workout app or something. Not 100% sure. Not sure which one's better. They both look... Coloring's not quite right, I feel like. But anywho, it's not bad. What do we need to do here, though? Let's see, we got 86 lines of code. This is how I would use ChatGPT, because we're getting all this code, and there's a bunch of it. And it's all written up in one place, which, was fun to do while we were working on that. But let's go over to our favorite AI machine thing, or language model. I'll just copy all this. And then, let's see, go over to the interwebs. And we're going to go plus, and we're going to go chat. We're going to pick number 4, because it's supposed to be smarter. And we're going to say, break this code out into subviews. Subviews. Let's see. If for any view, we could even do this, for any backtick view in a backtick.over, over overlay. And I think that's probably a good start. So we'll do that. And we'll shift enter. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I don't know if we have to do this, but this is the way I do it. I don't know. And we'll paste that in there and we'll say, make it so. So I've broken the code into subviews for better readability and maintainability. Let's see how well it does. And let's see if it follows the import overlay info view. I feel like they messed up there. Oh no. Can never trust a machine to do a background image. Yeah, it didn't quite do what I wanted. Yeah, stop this. This is not doing what I want. All right. Guess what? That's why we just try to use a computer and it does stupid things. All right. We can break it up ourselves if we want to, but it is 1:13. How long has this been streaming? Where's the timestamp on this? I think we've been streaming for 41 minutes, I think. Look at that. Okay. So, hopefully that kind of looks like this. I think we cut down the text a bit. Doesn't need to be that much. Let's probably cut it down from here. It's a lot of text, and I don't think there was that much in it, so just cut that out. And then we've got a view. I feel like maybe there should be something here, maybe a gradient behind this. I don't know. I don't think it was on the on this. Maybe the buttons also need to be a little bigger. Maybe these buttons are too narrow, not enough height to them. So if we went to here and we just went 72, just make them nice big buttons. That's a bit much. 60. That looks probably all right. And then we just need to do like something. I feel like, oh, and then also, yeah, it's gonna overlay that. I don't know an exact fix for that right now, but just a quick fix. It's padding dot bottom, and then we'll go 60. But oh, not there. Is that on the overlay? Cut there. Oh, not there either. No. We want to do that to the text view. So now we can go scroll down here. Yeah, not quite. I'll go 100. And then we scroll down. We got some padding. Probably not the best fix. I'm sure there's a better way, but that's a quick fix. And now we have a basic detail view. Oh, we didn't add the buttons up here. Should we continue on and add buttons really quick? Yeah, probably. Let's see, we have this Z stack. I'll just add an overlay here. We'll go dot overlay, and then we're gonna go alignment. And we're gonna go dot top trailing, and then we're gonna go ahead and add some buttons. So we're gonna go button, like so. Then we're gonna go open curly brace, and we're gonna go, oh, I don't know why I'm doing this. Open action, enter. And then here, again, do something, do stuff like that. And for our label, we are just gonna go system, gonna go image, open parentheses, system, image. And then here we're going to make it a string, and then we're going to go Command Shift L, and then we're going to go ellipsis, like so. And then we're just going to get rid of this. And then I think there's another button, and I think it was just a bookmark, so we'll just see if bookmark, one word, bookmark. Failed to build. What do I do? Alignment, top trailing, overlay, extraneous, argument alignment. Did I spell that wrong? Align. It's not an extraneous. Oh, probably spelled it wrong. All right, Option Command P, and nothing. Oh, there they are. They're just stacked up in the corner. First fix is gonna just cut those out and go H stack, and then put them in there, and then we're gonna go dot padding, and then they're kind of up in the corner. Still a bit padding here. We're going to go an array, and then we're going to give them padding maybe, but then on top of that we'll say dot top and dot leading or trailing. All right, looks pretty good. And then we should also probably do some padding dot trailing. Space these out just a touch. And they're blue, which if we go back to Safari, what were they? They were white here, so we're just going to use, let's see, go to the H stack. We'll go dot foreground color, and we're going to go color, open parenthesis, dot label. So they're white, which is what's supposed to work. And then we go to light mode, and they're dark. Now we have buttons. So we have buttons all over the place that don't do anything, and we've got some text. Now obviously this text would come in from an object, so it would probably have like a title, a trainer, time frame, type of workout, I guess, equipment, and music, and then description. So something like that. And then, or it might have a few more things, but yeah. Oh, you'd also want an image to provide But yeah, I think looks okay. Possibly. We'll go to dark mode, make it look kind of more exact, and pull up the interweb thing. So it's kind of the view we were trying to build out. Did it in, where does it say how long you're streaming? And we did this in 48 minutes while also finding an image, starting Xcode project and everything else. And it's white here, it's dark here. I mean, we could make better colors. If we had like a UX person we could talk to, say, hey, what colors you want or whatever. But I don't know. I haven't used Nike Training Club app, so I don't know. But it looks like their colors might be hard coded, and ours are dynamic. So I think that's an improvement. But yeah, let me know what you think. Was this live stream worth it? Should I do more of these, or just keep on trying to put out those? I will put out edited videos too. So I'm not gonna live stream or edited videos, but I was thinking maybe mix it up a little bit. So I was gonna play around with this, but now I am just talking, which I guess I've been doing the whole time. Anywho, hopefully this was a decent stream. I don't have much else. Any questions or suggestions for content, videos you want to see? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching, and I will bug you all next time.